Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to remove the door speaker. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. Little pocket screwdriver or flat edge screwdriver, and you're going to pop this cover off. Just reach in there and give it a pry, and then we can set that aside. And you can see there's a little screw in there. It's got a Torx bed head to it, and it's a T20. Take that out. Now just pry on this casing, and it'll pop right out. Now you can reveal the actual. This is the mirror adjuster button. So we're going to take that connector off. Down below here, there's a little clip. Push in on the pin. So let's see if I can see it. Maybe I'll get this side first. So here is your little mini speaker. Take that clip, push it on the pin, pull that clip, the connector out. Now we have the actual door handle itself cable. So this handle for the exterior, this is the interior door handle cable, and it releases the latch. So it's basically, it just slides right in. There's no clips, there's no screws. So pull up on the cable end, and it comes right out. So you can see how it goes in. It slides right in like that. It clicks down. To release, pull up, and there you go. So now we can see the actual connector on this side. Take a small screwdriver. Now we're going to remove the window crank handle. It's a manual window. I'm going to use a body tool with this little fork right here. And it's basically just pops off. There's no clip or nothing. So with pressure on this and pressure on the handle, I'm going to snap it right off. You can see how it just has like these little fingers that wrap around the window regulator. And that's it. There's 3 mounting screws. One down here, middle, and then the top. These little covers, just pop them off. And now you can see the mounting screws. So these are a Torx T20 tip. I'll just take all 3 of them out. Now we're going to get to the main bolt that holds the panel on. And underneath the handle right here is this cover comes right off. Just pry it off. And here we have 2 more Torx head bolts. We've got a T20. Take that handle right out of the way. So with a body tool, I'm going to reach in the back here and just pop this door out. There we go. And you lift it straight up and out of the way. You have 4 mounting bolts for the speaker and the door, and it's a T25. It's a Torx bit. So first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the electrical connector, and there's a little tab here. Push in on it, pull it out. Now you can remove all 3 mounting bolts. Now that all the 3 mounting screws are, just grab it, slide it right out. You're going to replace it. The way to measure it would be from 1 mounting point across, and that's how the book would say, you know, do you need a 6.5 inch, 9.25 inch speaker round with 3 mounting? That's how they would list that. To install it, just reverse procedure. Line up those tabs, T25, and put the 3 mounting screws in. I'm going to place them all in before I snug it down. That way I'm sure it's all lined up properly. Find your connector, line it up, snap it in. Now we're ready to put the panel back on, making sure all my electrical stuff is out of the way. I just gotta make sure I put the cable through the spot. Okay. So there's a lip, put it in the window seal. Make sure it's all the way forward. Make sure that cable is on the top side. With all three connectors coming out of the slot, I just have the door panel resting on the window sill just in case it have to come back because I can't get this in correctly. But I have faith. So that slides down right in there like that and then clicks in. Connect our little tweeter speaker. Connect our window controller, mirror control, sorry. There we go. Slide that all back in there. Now I know the panel's pretty much lined up. I'm going to just push the snaps back in. That's nice and tight. I'm going to put my mounting bolt on for this. And there's, out of all the bolts, there's also these two long ones, which are for the handle. But then we have three identical ones, and then the one that's not. So these three go for this door panel, and the one that's not goes in the handle. T20. Line it up, tighten it down. Now I want to make sure my handle works. So I'm going to act like a door latch and lock it with a little pressure on it. I know my handle works. Now I don't have it all bolted down yet because I made sure that my handle works. Now I'm going to make sure that my mirror adjuster works. Other side, yep. So it's all good. Turn the key off and I can tighten it all down. T20, line that right up. Put the tab back. One on the top. Going to install the handle. This is a T25, if I remember correctly. Yep, T25. Top one. This has got that little fancy plastic cover. Okay. It's got three lineups. One at 3 o'clock, 12 and 6. Snap it in. And then the window crank. So the spacer goes like that, with the inverted going that way. Now you know when the window's up, the crank should be right about 2 o'clock. Snap it on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.